Welcome to Guide Hub. In this episode, I am going to guide you on how to apply promo code in Best Buy app. Now, if you have Best Buy application on your phone device, you can simply hop on the app. But in case if you don't have the application on your phone device, you can go on any preferred web browser. Now, at the search bar, you can simply search bestbuy.com. You will be led to the official page of Best Buy. Now, if you haven't signed into your account, then make sure you already are signed in and you have added some items in the cart. Here you can see that I already have 2 items in my cart. So tap on the cart icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down a bit. There you can see the option checkout. You have to simply tap over there. You will be now led to your payment information page that includes your billing address. Now all you have to do is fill down your information. After you are done filling your information, you can see a section called Add Gift Cards, Store Credit or Discount Code. You need to tap over there. Now there you can see a box where you can write down your card number or discount code. All you have to do is write down your discount code or your promo code or your card number. Here you can apply your promo code, and after you are done applying your promo code, you need to enter your PIN if required and simply tap on apply. After that, you can place your order successfully and your promo code will be applied while ordering from Best Buy application. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.